Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be following a Dine with Neo recipe and quarantine cooking with me while I make pizza. So I don't intend to speak much in this video, just watch and enjoy. Instructions will be on the screen and link to the recipe will be in the description box. I hope you love this content and please do subscribe. Let's get started. I think I've seen Neo make pizza before, so okay, so she made it just yesterday. Let me see. Yo, but why is this her last? No, I must have seen her make it another time before. Let me see her stories. How lucky am I? She literally made one today. Okay, let's go. I was actually not sure if Nkulum now.
Without bingo flour omningi.
Well, I don't know what it's supposed to feel like, so no, you must teach me. I didn't ask for your help. I'm asking you to teach me. I put in 250 milliliters.
Of flour,
2.5 cups.
Oh, that's a lot. And also a roller.
Well, I'm following a recipe, Nami, that had these exact measurements.
Like flour. Tell us anything. But it takes some kneading ukuthi ilokhuzi ukuthi ihlangane. Mina yami bizohlangana nje ngingazange ngifake iflour. You need awuyidonsi. You do this. Lokhu iphendula. Yebothi siyahlangana. That's what you do.
Why didn't you just say that?
Cha phela bengazi ukuthi uqalephi. But you need ilokhuzi. That I said it ngalo ukuthi you need lokhu iphendule phela awuzonidisa idilodwa kuphela ngoba lelo sayita ngithi lisamanzi so uyaphendula lokhu ihlanganisa uyigoqa uyivule nje ngazi ukuthi bakunikeza nami ngiyibonisa i-right manje and kwasusa ama-crumbs lawa asemaceleni ngoba uma ngabe sebuyela ngapha zoyona inhlima yakho izoba bhanda.
Okay. My God. Apparently I have to use the whole thing. This is actually so hard to film and actually like make food. So these are the chopped ingredients and made ingredients, except for the chicken. I still need to make the chicken, but otherwise this is where I'm at right now. But I think it's gonna turn out good. Did I show you guys the dough, the laid out dough? See, it has bubbles, but I'm sure it's fine. I almost thought it was too thin, but we'll see when I put it in the oven. I'm just saying, even after it was finished cooking, it just looked like incane lento. That's what I'm saying. Basha you juk manje. Bamshayelani.
Hey, kusho bekusazoba mnandi la. Ungabona amakhekhe ebhaqa zona ngayo la.
I can't believe khona uthena wena uthe uzobuya kusasa.
Hey ungabona kade kune picnic phansi la kade kudliwa. Kwenziwe picnic.
Shothi uyamromentsha.
Jesu. Namakhadi akhalayo, kaligcina nini ikhadi elikhalayo.
Are you serious? Kanti is it Valentine's Day yini?
Hey, it's Valentine's.
Ayibona why spend Valentine's Day ne-side chick?
Emzini wetsheri.
Yo. Hayi kona banaso isibindi.
Ilekhwempelesele le ntombazane ithi wenza sengathi awujoli. Ina kunendaba nojujubu, ujujubu wenza umsebenzi wakho uyaholela.
Uthi why wenza sengathi awujoli?
Wena wenza sengathi awujoli.
Umazelaphi uJubJub azasho leyo nto ke nje futhi. Yini ngoba azi kahle yena ukuthi uJubJub vele uyajola, uyazi uyamhlanyela. uJubJub uphendula athini ke lapho?
Uthi ngenza umsebenzi wami mina akuyondaba yakho leyo.
At least umphendulile.
Ungcola unjani amakhekhe uJubJub? Hayi ugqoka izinto ezimnyama. Last week wathela ngamanzi sibonisa manje. Bamthela ngani last week? Kahle nawe. Come on. Bamthela bezogeza azoli awezitsha hayo.
Uba wamthela ngamanzi
Wayethu uthela omunye ngamanzi kanti uzofika kusala uJubJub esikhaleni. Amanzi ezitsha bona amanzi ekade basho ngabe izitsha kushuthi akhonise emqashweni izinto ezishini. Yabona amanzi ananokudla.
Hayi waziwavelela uJubJub bakithi. Okay. Dine with Neo is shaking. I think I'm gonna cut it into like, well, yes, squares, but like how many squares is the question. Yeah, the base is pretty thin. It's like, what's a thin base, Nji? Roti. Oh no! I forgot to put Avu. Yeah, vele ngizofaka ukuhlahla bengeke size siwupheke vele. But that's what I'm saying. I'm saying ukuthi nje, for decorative purposes, hey, I mean, I'm putting in more Avu. When I dish up though for him, ngizowususa. I did take a picture, but it didn't have Avu. I will, man. How I'm.
It didn't, as if you're not gonna take another one.
Iyo yo jo, I boo. Iyo yo jo. It's my play with. How beautiful. Yo. Dine with Neo. Girl. 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 Are you shaking? Okay, so I made the base a little bit too thin, but let's taste it. Let's taste. Mm. 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 It's pretty hot. Mm. Oh. Mm. I don't know why I made the base so thin, but it doesn't really matter. It literally tastes so good. Yo, my mom was even saying if pizza places gave us this much meat, it would really be value for money. So I did show you guys, but it's literally avocado, mushrooms, bacon, chicken, that tomato paste, and I used Gouda and cheddar cheese. I mixed it. I literally can't believe I made this. It really is good. Hi.
It tastes really, really good. I think it's better than it. Yeah, unless we have minutes pizza honestly.
No, get on, dude.
Mina nje ngabe ngizokuthi ngathi ngipizza. Umuntu othanda ipizza ekhaya usibonile.
Yeah, true. And he doesn't even eat it without Evo, which is weird. Yo, that's yamnandi.
Really?
I think it's a tomato paste, ne? Because the yona that I tasted and I was like, yo, yazi yamnandi lento.
Awuphekile ngayi bungazinani ukuthi khona la ekhaya.
I don't cook with tomato paste, but I do know that when you're making pizza, you need to use a tomato paste. So that's why I remember when we went to go buy groceries and that's us saying because I want to make pizza.
So what were you going to make your own tomato paste?
I thought that's the only way to make it like properly. So
ngithenga nasethinini ukuthi nge-istuff le ehlala ethinini because awukwazi ukuqala. Awukwazi ukuqala